Alright boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. So we have Mitski here again. This is, I believe, the second time we have Mitski here, and this time with the song called The Only Heartbreaker. This one is kind of a Mitski song here, a little bit strange there as well. So but it's very cool, it's different, and I like this style of music here. So let's do the tutorial of this one. We need to set our capo here on the 4th fret, and we have a couple of chords here to go through first. So let's start with this A minor. Okay, so that will be the open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. All right, then we have C. So that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. Then G. So that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. And we have D. So open D, second G, third B, and second E. And we have E minor. So open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. And the final chord will be B minor. So you need to bar the 2nd fret here from the A string and down. Okay, and the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. All right, so let's look at the strumming. It's very easy. It's only down, up, down, up. That is one strumming round. So if we grab this A minor, that is the first chord, it will be in that tempo. So down, up, down, up. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. That's the tempo. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down. All right. So now when we have this, we can start the actual song here with this intro. It will be 2 rounds of A minor, 2 rounds of C, and 4 rounds of G, and that is the intro. So let's go. C, G, G, G. 4 times there. So A minor 2, C2, and G4. So that's the intro, and then it starts right away with this first verse here. So that will be 2 rounds of D, 2 rounds of E minor, 4 rounds of C, 2 rounds of G, 2 rounds of D, and 4 rounds of C. That is one chord progression. You will play that for 2 rounds. So I'm gonna play that through for you right now, and I'm gonna speak meanwhile so you can be able to follow and learn. So let's go. D, D, E minor, C, 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 G, G, D, D, C, 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 and another round, exactly the same chords. Now again, D 2 times, E minor 2 times, C 4 times, G 2 times, D 2 times, and C 4 times. Yeah, so that's the verse. Okay, now we are at the chorus there. I'll be the only heartbreaker, so that is where the theme comes here. So it will be pretty much A minor, C, and G, and you will play that for 3 rounds. 2 strumming rounds for A minor, 2 strumming rounds for C, and 4 strumming rounds for G. So A minor 2, C2, and G4. That will be for 3 rounds, this chord progression. And then for the 4th time, still the same chords, A minor, C, and G. That's an instrumental part, and the easiest way here is just to actually play 1 down on A minor, 1 down on C, and 1 down on G. There's a little bit more going on here in the background, some notes here and there, but just to keep it simple and easy, last 4 round, 1 down for each chord, A minor, C, and G. So let's go here and play along here with A minor 2 times, C 2 times, G 4 times for 3 rounds, and then 1 down for the same chords there. Let's go. A minor, C, C, G, 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 and again, A minor, C, and G. And the third round, A minor 2 times, C 2 times, and G 4 times, and then just 1 down for each chord. Yeah, so that's the chorus there. So the next part will be the next verse here. It will be same story, still the same strumming here, and it will be same as the first verse we just learned, but it will be with an instrumental parts right after this verse here. So you're gonna play one full verse like we learned in the first verse here, and then with an instrumental part. And that instrumental part right after the C4, it will be A minor, 2 rounds of strumming, G, 2 rounds of strumming, and a D, only 1 down for this D. So you're gonna play the same as you played in the first verse, and you're gonna add A minor 2 times, G 2 times, and 1 down on D. So you're gonna add this part, A minor, G, and D. And there's a pause there, and then comes the second chorus. Yeah, so that's the second verse. And the second chorus will be played in the same way as the chorus we just learned here with the A minor, C, and G. But there's instrumental parts that is different. This part we will not cover, this instrumental part. It's way too long, and I don't believe it gives you hardly anything here. But I'm just gonna give you the chords here. Yeah, just leave out the chords, and you're gonna, yeah, you can do whatever you want with it. If you gonna use it, then use it, and if not, just go by this and play the next part right after. But the chords will be A minor, C, B minor, C, then A minor, B minor, C, A minor, then B minor, C, A minor, B minor, and C. So yeah, there you have it. We're gonna jump over this part and go right into the bridge part. And the bridge part is kind of built into this instrumental part, and there is some lyrics there. I apologize, you forgive me. I apologize, you forgive me. And what you can do there, you can just play 1 down for the D. Otherwise, it's built into this kind of strumming, this instrumental part here. So this instrumental part and the bridge part is kind of connected to each other, and yeah, not that meaningful, I believe, for this song too, if you wanna just play it for yourself or for anybody else. So the only thing that is important here could be to have this D 1 down on this in the middle of this lyric here with all these apologizes in the bridge part. So yeah, that's that. And then we have a final part, that's a final chorus. It will be the same as the previous choruses, but the end with only 1 down on the last chord. So the last chord will be a C. Okay, so you're gonna play the same as we learned here: A minor 2 times, C 2 times, and G 2 times. G 4 times, and you're gonna play the same as the other choruses, but you're gonna add this extra chord, C. Right after the G comes a C down, and that ends this cool song with Mitski called "The Only Heartbreaker." So yeah, that's that, and thank you for watching this one. And if it was helpful, please tell me and show me thumb up. And if you haven't been a subscriber, please subscribe here and we are going forward together. We're growing fast, and I love to see that. We're a big happy family right now, and we're aiming for 1,000 subscribers till 2022. So that's could be a reachable goal, but yeah, it depends on you, and I believe on you guys. So keep on watching and see you soon. Don't forget, play tuned.